Are you looking for the best vacuum sealers? In this video we will look at some of the best vacuum sealers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Nesco VS12 Deluxe Vacuum Sealer. Pros: great for a beginner but suitable for any user. This is an easy-to-use and versatile vacuum sealer. Cons: our only complaint is that a little too much liquid in the bag can make moist sealing difficult. The Nesco VS12 Deluxe Vacuum Sealer is our favorite vacuum sealer of the bunch. This countertop model is sleek and not too big to keep out on display or store. The button panel on the top is designed simply for ease of use. One of our test kitchen's favorite features was how delicate this sealer was when dry sealing the Chex Mix. Without breaking any of the cereal pieces, it was able to seal the bag tightly. It does have some trouble moist sealing if there's a good amount of liquid in the vacuum bag. However, this was the only issue we encountered, so our experts advise being cautious when using the moist seal option. The bags maintained a sturdy seal throughout testing, even the halved avocado hardly showing signs of ripening. Versatile and user-friendly, this vacuum sealer is perfect for anybody's kitchen. We recommend it for somebody who's just starting to work with vacuum sealing or as a thoughtful gift for the home cook in your life. Number 2. Bonsenkitchen Food Sealer Machine. Pros: with perfect scores across the board from our test kitchen, we're confident this vacuum sealer does the job at a great price. Cons: it's not the gentlest we tested when it comes to delicate items. Our pick for best value, this vacuum sealer is only $60, and we guarantee it packs a powerful punch for the price. The Bonsenkitchen Food Sealer Machine managed perfect scores across the board during our tests. This machine boasts 5 different seal settings and a lid that audibly locks before sealing, which helps arrange the bag in the suction channel. This was one of the most effective sealers we tested when it came to sealing, but be warned that it may take several rounds of sealing to remove all the air in the bag. Overall, this sealer is simple to use for any sealing task. We love that it's small enough to fit into a kitchen drawer for easy storage and access. We also love that it automatically disables itself to prevent overheating during prolonged use. It's perfect for any kitchen at a price that can't be beat. Number 3. Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro. Pros: beautiful minimalist design and multiple seal settings make this vacuum sealer worth the price. Cons: while there's no delicate seal option, this appliance has a pulse vacuum setting, which allows for the manual sealing of more fragile foods. The Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro boasts a sleek and modern design that would look chic sitting on anybody's countertop. It also features various seal settings: vacuum and seal, moist, dry, seal, pulse vacuum, and external pulse vacuum, all allowing the user control over the suction power and pulse. Despite its higher price and variety of settings, this model does come with an instruction booklet that's straightforward enough to help beginners operate the sealer. The options here make it a more advanced model with a wide range of suction power and pulse control levels. It's certainly a splurge at $150, but with such a high score from our test kitchen, it's perfect for a more advanced home cook looking to level up their vacuum sealing game. Number 4. Inkbird Vacuum Sealer Machine with Starter Kit. Pros: this was one of the most effective models we tested for getting a tight seal every time. Cons: we wish it came with bag roll storage and a delicate suction strength option, but it does the job well. Searching for a new appliance when you're not sure what to look for is difficult, so we sought out the essentials when it came to our best for beginners pick. The Inkbird Vacuum Sealer Machine passed the majority of our tests with flying colors while being foolproof to operate. In sealing the avocado to test for long-term freshness and tightness, there were minimal signs of oxidation after 5 days of storage. This sealer only faltered when it came to sealing more delicate foods. The suction strength doesn't give much room for adjustment, but this shouldn't be much of a problem regarding beginner usage. Our experts recommend this vacuum sealer for anyone who wants to start vacuum sealing but doesn't need a ton of bells and whistles. It does, however, have an accessory port for a handheld suction hose. And while bag storage would give this sealer a leg up, it also has a bag cutter for convenience, which we love. The low price point and small size make this a high value and easily stored appliance, perfect for first-time buyers or as a gift. Number 5. NutriChef PKVS Sealer. Vacuum sealing fragile or oddly shaped foods can be significantly more difficult than sealing substantial or uniformly shaped foods. Sealers have the propensity to crush lightweight foods with suction power. The air bubbles that are often left behind need to be removed to keep the food in a truly airtight environment. Here's where the NutriChef PKVS sealer comes in. Not only did it function well in our dry and moist tests, but the seal was so tight there was little to no oxidation on the avocado. While this vacuum sealer has only 2 seal settings, it comes with additional accessories like an air hose. This model is our favorite if you plan to use a vacuum sealer for many delicate foods like produce that might be easily bruised or breads. Despite its small range of functions, it is worth it, thanks to its price and stellar performance in our tests. Number 6. FoodSaver VS0150 PowerVac Compact Vacuum Sealing Machine. Super compact, the design of this model makes it extremely easy to store vertically or horizontally. It also reduces bag waste. Cons: there is no delicate option for auto sealing, though manually stopping the machine is an option. Few people have endless storage space in their kitchens. While keeping all your appliances on the countertop would be nice, looking for a model with easy storage options might be what's right for you. The FoodSaver VS0150 PowerVac Compact Vacuum Sealer can be stored horizontally, and its small size makes this very convenient. However, it's also designed to be stored vertically, something you can't say for most vacuum sealers. This is our favorite compact model, but it also performed exceptionally well during our testing. All the vacuum bags we sealed were tight enough to leave no air bubbles, and they stayed sealed throughout our tests. It has a super short refractory period of only 20 seconds, and the design also features a removable drip tray. If you're looking for convenience, this is a perfect vacuum sealer for your kitchen.